Hi, girls.
Hi. Hi.
How are you guys doing today?
Good.
Good. So today we are going to do some fun math. All right?
Are you gonna want to run and play?
We'll play later. So we are going to talk about objects that have more
Then
than another group of objects. Okay? And we're gonna watch a couple fun videos, and then we'll do a fun activity together. Okay? All right. So first, we're gonna get up and move our bodies and dance to Mr. Jack and count to 10 to get our brains thinking and turned on for number thinking. Okay? All right. Here we go. All right, I want to hear you counting.
Hold one hand up, that's 5 fingers. Hold 2 hands up, that's
10 fingers.
there you go, Connie.
10. Count to 10. Count to 10. With our friends. Count to
Ready? We're going to count to 10.
soldier friends.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
count to 10 with our opera friends.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Count to 10 with our monster
Monster, can you do it, monster voice? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hold one hand up, that's 5 fingers.
5 fingers.
There you go, five.
10 fingers. 10.
Count to 10 with our friends. Count to
All right,
10
here we go.
with our cowboy.
Cowboy.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
count to 10 with our baby friends.
Baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10, count to 10, count to 10 with our friends. If you like this
Woo! All right, let's count to 10 together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, 10. Nice counting. All right. Now, I want to show you, we're going to look at some things. We are going to see if they have more.
What are we doing today?
Okay, we'll do that.
Mrs. Goldie.
Yes.
What are we doing today?
All right, now we're going to count some objects, okay? What are these?
Flowers.
Flowers, that's right. What color are my pretty flowers?
Yellow.
Yellow. These are called
Yellow.
tulips. Okay, so Genevieve, I'm going to have you count the flowers that are in this jar.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there is 8.
8 flowers. All right, Quinn, I'm going to have you count the flowers in this jar and tell me how many there are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 flowers. Now, girls, flowers. Genevieve had 8 flowers and Quinn had 10 flowers. Who had more? Good job! So let's think of a sentence we can say to explain that. So we could say Quinn has more than Genevieve.
And there is this, and there is this.
Yep. And then we can also say that 10 is more than 8. And you know what other words we can use for more? Greater. Can you guys say the word greater?
Greater.
Greater. So Quinn, you could say 10 is greater than 8.
Or greater is gooder than 9.
So 9 would be more than 8.
8.
Good job. That's right. Now, what if I showed you some numbers here? You ready? Let's see if we can look at numbers and see if we can try and do it with some numbers. Okay. Let's see. What number is this?
2.
2. That's right. I'm going to put my 2 right here. What number is this?
5.
5. So I'm going to put my 5 right here. Now let's think of what we can say about these 2 numbers. Let's look at these 2 numbers again. We had 2 and we had 5. So which number is more than the other number or greater than?
5.
Yes, Genevieve.
5.
5. So let's put that in a sentence. 5 is more than
2.
Good job. Yes.
More than 5.
So we could say, what if we did this then, Quinn? Ready? Genevieve, you might need to help us with this one.
Okay.
So here's our 5. What if we have this number? What number is this?
That is an 8. And that comes after 9.
So which one is more?
8.
Yes,
8.
Quinn. 8. So let's put it in a sentence. 8 is more than
5.
5. Or we could say 8 is greater than 5, right? Let's look at this. So we can do that with, so we did it with flowers. We can do it with actual numbers. Let's count the dots on my little cards here. What's this?
That is 4.
4 dots. Okay. How many dots do I have here?
7. 8. 8.
No, count them again. You were right the first time.
7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
7. There's 7 little dots there. So what can we say about these? So we could say 7 dots is more than 4 dots, right? Or these 7 dots are more than 4 dots. Okay? Good job.
There's stickers on here.
Oh, thank you. I have a sticker on my. All right, good job. You guys did really good with that. Okay, so before we do our little small group activity where you guys can work together at the little table, we're going to watch a fun little book about numbers and more than, and it's called One Big Pair of Underwear. Are you ready?
Yeah. Will you get off and dance?
Well, this is going to be a story. Okay, you ready?
One big pair of underwear, written by Laura Dowd and illustrated by Tom Marchino. One big pair of underwear, 2 brown bears who hate to share. One bear wears some underwear. One bear cries, "This isn't fair." 2 small sacks of salty One seal gets a real bad deal. 4 large jars of gold bars. Greedy goats and 5 red cars. 4 goats gobble all the bars. One goat finds 4 empty jars. Pillows sit on 5 flat mats. Nap, 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 feed 6 fat cats. 5 fat cats nap on their mats. One fat cat feels rats, rats, rats. 6 cookbooks in narrow nooks. 7 apron-wearing cooks. 6 cooks pull books out of nooks. One cook gives them grumpy looks. 7 jet skis shiny blue. 8 cows craving something new. 7 cows call moo woo hoo. One hot cow stews moo boo hoo. 8 long sticks and 1 slick puck. 9 excited skating ducks. 8 ducks play with sticks and puck. One poor duck is out of luck. 9 trombones all gold and grand. 10 baboons all raise in hand. 9 baboons march with the band. One baboon gets less than planned. 10 tall twisty playground slides. 20 pigs all want a ride. Piggyback, the pigs decide. 10 bears glide down side by side. Bears can see it's fun to share. They try sharing underwear. Seals and yachts see frolic suits, sharing snack packs while they scoot.
They're all sharing now.
Cows, baboons, and cats and cooks share their boats, horns, mats, and books. Goats and ducks share candy bars, hockey, fun, and empty jars. Friends all share and swap and trade, then line up in a long parade. How do they learn to count and share? From 1 big pair of underwear.
Whoa! That was a silly book, huh? Okay,
Miss Green,
so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do our fun little group activity.
I want to do that one day.
One big pair of underwear.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. You're each are gonna get one of Mrs. Guernsey's fun big dice. Okay. And we're also gonna put some cubes here in the middle for you guys. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna roll the dice. So you each are gonna roll the dice. We'll do the first one together, and then you two can do it a couple times on your own. Okay. So roll it here on the table. Whoop. All right. So how many did you get, Genevieve?
7.
Count them again. You roll yours. You can roll yours too. Oh, okay.
5.
Count them again.
1, 2, 3.
3. Quinn got 3. So Quinn, can you?
I got 6.
Good job. So Quinn, you're gonna get 3 cubes and build a tower.
1, 2,
And Genevieve, you're gonna get 6 cubes and build a tower.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Okay, build your towers.
I I did by myself. By myself.
Good job, Quinn. Make sure you have 6 there, Genevieve.
1, 2,
Count your cubes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You needed 1. What?
More.
Good job. Okay, so Genevieve, look at Genevieve's tower, and then look at Quinn's tower. So Quinn rolled a 3, and Genevieve rolled a 6. So who has more? Genevieve. Okay, so let's put that in a sentence. Okay, so how could we say that? So we could say 6 is
More than 3.
Yeah, good job. All right, now you can roll them again.
Okay, then roll on the floor.
Yep. Roll your dice. What'd you get?
I got 2.
2.
I got 4.
4. Okay, build your towers.
I bet myself.
So make sure you're matching the numbers on your cube. Nice job, Quinn. So Quinn has 2. Okay, build your tower, Genevieve. All right, let's see who has more.
I did.
Look at your
Jen.
tower. Genevieve has more. So Quinn, let's say a sentence about that. So Genevieve had 4, and you had 2. So can you say a sentence? Say so 4 is
7. More than 8.
more than how many do you have here?
2.
2. So see how it's greater? It's bigger. So 4 is more than 2. All right, let's try it again.
And you did something to rhyme. This currency.
All right, try it again.
I got 4 again. I got 4. I got 1. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. So build a tower of 5.
Can I get a different one? Because I got 4 again.
Okay.
I got
4 again. There you go. What did you get?
I got 8. What's for my thing?
All right. So Quinn has. Make sure you count out how many.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right.
1,
So
2, 3, 4, 5.
good job. And then Genevieve, how many did you have?
I need just 1 more. Right.
That's right. Good job. So count out your cubes. You have your cubes, Quinn. Put them up here. Put your tower up. Nice. Quinn rolled a 5 and Genevieve rolled a
6.
6. So let's make a sentence. So 6 is,
More than
what did she get?
8.
Count them.
6.
Count them.
8.
No, 6 isn't more than 8.
5.
That's right. 6 is more than 5. So who had more? Who had more cubes?
I have more.
All right, let's roll that one more time, and then we're gonna try something else. We're gonna do one more quick little thing.
I got 3.
3. Make your tower.
I got 1. Only 1. A big huge one.
Oh boy, only 1. So who has more?
I want to get.
Okay, you can roll again.
1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4.
Count them again.
1, 2, 3.
3. And Genevieve had 3. So
And that
this is good. So let's see.
and that means equal.
Good job, that's right. So look at, your towers are exactly the same. So no one has more than the other. You have the same or equal. Good job, Genevieve. Okay, here, let me take the dice. We'll keep the cubes. We're gonna do one more. We'll do one more little activity here. I'm gonna put these number flashcards face down on the table for you guys. Okay, now you can do this together too. Alright, so Genevieve, actually, you know what? You guys can do this separately if you want. So Genevieve, you're gonna pick 2 cards, and Quinn, you're gonna pick 2 cards and flip them over. And then build your towers with the cubes that match your cards that you flipped over.
Where is this? This is 5.
Yep. Okay. Good job. So Quinn, which one has more?
5.
Good job. So let's say 5, so we'll say 5 is what? More than 4. Good job. Right, because this has more cubes. And this is greater, this number is greater than, so you could say 5 is greater than 4. Can you say that? 5 is greater than 4. That's right. Good job. Right, we can do that one more time. Let's see how Genevieve's doing. So you had a 1 and a what?
And a 7.
And a 7. So what can we say about these? Which one is greater? Which one is more?
So definitely this, because this is this.
Right, this only has 1, and this has how many?
6.
No, what number is this?
8. 7.
7.
8.
So let's say 7 is
Then 1.
1. Or you can say 7 is greater than 1. Can you say that?
7 is greater than 1.
Good job. All right, we can do that one more time, and then we'll be done. Flip over. Let's flip our cards over again.
I got 1 and 7. I got 5 and 2.
Nice. Okay, count and build your
We got the same. You got mine.
build your towers that match your cards. You're gonna count and compare. That's what
What's
we're doing,
this
friends.
for?
We're counting and
What's this?
comparing.
Hey,
That's a
it's Guernsey.
7.
So, when you do 1 and then see freeze,
Mm-hmm.
you can see what 4. Then you know you can do 5.
Yep, good job. So we got a 5 and a 2. So let's make a sentence about that. Good job. All right, you try and tell me a sentence.
So 5. What's this number again? Plus 2 equals. Wait, that's not what we're gonna.
No, we're not adding, silly. We're not adding right now. Right now we're just comparing the 2 numbers, and we're saying that 5 is what then 2?
5 is
Is-
more than 2.
Exactly. Good job. Or we could say 5 is greater than 2, right? How many do you have? Here you need a 7. I think you have more than 7 there, silly. Count out 7 cubes. Just 7. We just want 7. Yep. Okay, so let's take these out. So you've got 7 and 1.
See, I know bigger than Jen.
Yep. So let's look at these 2 though. You flipped over a 7 and you flipped over a 1. So what can we say? 7 is what?
More than 7.
No, 7 is more than
1.
1. See? And look. Because look at your tower. Look how big this tower is compared to this one. This has way what?
Way more.
Way more blocks. So 7 is more than 1. Good
One
job,
is-
you guys. Good job.
Miss.
You guys did awesome with that.
Miss.
All right.
Miss.
That's it for today.
Miss.
Thank you.
Miss.